Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can scan QR code in Oppo phone. So starting point is to launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar, then expand the list and find the tile that says QR code. If in your case it is not present over here by default, you can just open the edit tiles menu and edit from the more functions list. Then tap at the QR code scanner. As you can see, the Google Lens gets opened. Then frame whatever QR code you have to read. Usually it gets scanned automatically, but if that's not true in your case, simply tap at the shutter button over here. And as you can see, it recognized that this QR code has a link to the HardReset.Info website. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.